Hi, my name is Orit, and I'm the product manager for the release stage here at Gitlab. Today, I want to walk through some of the features that we're going to be releasing in the 12.6 release that will be delivered on the 22nd of December, 2019. So the first feature that I want to discuss is supporting squash and merge trains. So we released the merge train functionality a few releases ago, and while dog fooding this internally in Gitlab, we found out that this is a feature that is extremely needed in order to work well with merge trains. So really coming up both from internal customers and also externals, we're going to add support for squash and merge trains. And we're super excited that this will help get people aboard the train of using merge trains. The next feature I'd like to discuss is limit pipeline concurrency use name features. And this is actually our most popular feature in release. This is both upvoted from customers, from our CEO, and also internally, something that's really needed. Sometimes we have a resource that we need for every pipeline, and we have to limit its concurrency. So while we know that we're not going to solve all the different use cases in this upcoming release, it's important for us to start working on it and make sure that we are answering the need. So for this specific iteration, we're going to be implementing a generic semaphore for pipeline jobs, which can be used probably for jobs and environments and projects. But we'll see, and we're relying on your feedback to see how well we're doing. This specific iteration is the concurrency is going to be set to 1 and cannot be configured, but we're going to build on that and give you the options to configure that in one of the next iterations. Our next feature that I'd like to discuss is built-in wrappers for AWS. And one of our main goals is to help natively support any deployment to any one of the cloud providers. AWS is the first one that we decided to work on, but the other ones will come up shortly after this. And the idea is that we realize that deploying to any of the major clouds is a super common task, and it basically is pretty much the same regardless to the organization that you work in. And we want to provide a base image that will work well with GitLab. And this is our first step to it. And again, I welcome any feedback from you regarding how we're doing and what is needed. The next feature is document how to support multi-versions for docs using environments. So one of the pain points that we've heard from multiple customers and our own docs team here at GitLab is the need to support several versions of the same page and have them living simultaneously at the same time. So while Pages is currently going through a massive architecture in order for us to support this in a scalable fashion, we have found a way to utilize environments and still accomplish supporting several versions. For example, of docs, let's say you released version 10 and version 11 of a release, but some of the customers still are using 10 and you still want the documentation to be available for them. So using environments, we can definitely support that. And we have figured out this way and want to document it and share the knowledge and let you choose whether or not to use this solution. Next coming up is add assets to release via GitLab CI YAML file. So this is actually something that we found out in the previous version in 12.5, where we added the option to create a release via the GitLab CI YAML file, which was something that the community had really asked for. So we added this ability in 12.5, but in order to really use it, this addition is needed, because what this does is actually connect the runner after and creates the release. So we're really, really excited to see the use of this feature and to start seeing how the release page is going to be populated from this. Those are my highlights. There's additional features coming up in 12.6. Some were already discussed in a previous kickoff, and some have not. But you're more than welcome to review the documentation of what's coming up. And as always, please feel free to send me any questions, comments, or feedbacks to Olga Lewinsky at gitlab.com. And feel free to ping me on any issue or email me. I'm really excited for this upcoming release, and I'm really excited to hear from you. It's going to be the best release ever.